will learn how to install the two types of lighting options Grounds Connection offers. Ground Connection LLC distributes patented foundation ground screws for a variety of applications. Foundation ground screws compress the soil, adding strength and stability, require no cleanup or soil removal, and can be installed in a matter of minutes. The specific size screw is chosen based on the loading requirements of the particular application. Step 1. Attachments. When dealing with difficult soil, be sure to use the pre-drill device. The pre-drill device is designed to begin the hole for the ground screw. The pre-drill device is attached to the auger attachment before the ground screw itself. Pre-drilling can also be done with a Hilti drill, using a long drill bit at 36 by 1 1/4 inch. Once the pre-drill hole is completed, add water to soften the surrounding ground. The hole should be ready for the ground screw in just a minute or two. Remove the pre-drill device and replace it with the ground screw. The ground screw will thread into the earth with little difficulty now. Adapter B is for connecting to the male end of the auger attachment. Mount it to the skid steer auger. The opposite male end of this adapter is splined and fits perfectly into the female spline of adapter A. The top of each screw is bolted to adapter A, which exactly matches the base of the light pole. Once adapter A is mounted to the screw, the two can be raised and slid onto adapter B, which is already mounted to the Bobcat auger attachment. Step 2. You are now ready to start up the Bobcat and put the screw into the ground. It is best to have a crew person direct it from the side. The objective, of course, is to get the screw in as perpendicular and plumb manner as possible. This is required so that the pole will be straight and the lights level. Shims are available for minor adjustments. To start, apply minimal pressure from the skid steer device, but enough so that there is always downward pressure on the screw. Ground screws are used in lieu of concrete foundations, which disrupt the soil, require curing time, and soil removal. The screw should thread itself into the ground once it has started and downward pressure maintained. Do not use too much pressure, just enough to allow the screw to continue itself into the ground. It is best to run the screw into the ground slightly below ground level so the top of the screw will be visible when everything is mounted. Once the screw is firmly in the earth, remove adapter A from the screw. You will probably want to dig a little dirt out from under the plate on the screw top so the bolts can be easily removed. The auger attachment should remain attached to your Bobcat throughout the job. Step 3. Mounting the poles. Start by sliding the solar LED luminaire manufactured by First Lighting Technologies to the top of the pole and fasten tightly. With the screw firmly planted and the adapter removed, the light pole can be lifted into place by two people. Once on the ground, the light pole is fastened to the ground screw by 4 2.5 by 3/4 inch bolts. Now we will install a solar LED bollard, which is used mostly for walkways and landscape lighting. Bollards are typically 36 inches tall and therefore require a smaller screw. As before, attach adapter A to the bollard ground screw, which matches the base of the bollard. Be sure to again only apply minimal pressure on the ground screw when drilling into the ground. Remove the base of the bollard and bolt it to the ground screw with 3 2 by 1/2 inch bolts. Finally, set the bollard over the base and reattach using the small 3-set screws mounted from the side. Thank you for watching this instructional video for Ground Connection's ground screws. For additional information, contact Ground Connection LLC at 870-534-6411 or see our website www.groundconnection.us.com.